How to use Tricount. Tricount is used for splitting and managing shared expenses. Especially it's useful for like trips, within groups, within group activities. So firstly, download the app. So download the app from your Google Store App Store. So if you search for Tricount, you will get it, and then just install the app. I've already installed it to mine. So once installed, just open up the app, and you will see the screen here, and you can go to your profile and hit on sign up. You can log in or sign up within your Google credentials itself. You can, or even Facebook, you can just do that. So once that's done, what you can do, if you go back to your home screen here, so now we're going to create a new Tricount. So to create a new Tricount, hit on this plus option here, and then click on start a new Tricount. So here what you have to do is simply fill in the Tricount details here. So for example, like what is this for? So this Tricount is for probably like a Paris trip within your friends. So for that, and then choose the currency where you will be planning on which currency. So for example, like euro, choose euro. And then the participants. So participants, you can just add by typing the names. You can share a link later to let them join directly. So you can just share or add a participant, and then click on share your name. So for example, just share, hit on add participant. So you can just simply add your name. So once that's done, click on create account. So okay, so now once done, hit on create account. Once you click on create account, so this will now create a try account, and then you will get to this screen here where your try account is ready to use. So now what we're going to do, you're going to like send an invite, as I mentioned earlier. So you can send invites, you can send as a link. You can click on this share link, and then this will generate a link, and you can use this link and send it to your friends so they can just join these Tricount by using the link. So you can do that, or else you can also do that a bit later if you put invite later. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add expenses. So these are the expenses. So hit on so under the expenses tab, click on add expenses. So here fill in the descriptions like what is this expenses for, and the amount, and who is going to pay it, so paid by who and for what, and all those details here. You just have to fill these up. So let me do that. For example, here I've created an expense for hotel booking. So title, it's hotel booking, and then the amount I paid euro is 100 euro, and I paid it, so I'll just put paid by me. When did I pay it here? And then if I click on this split checklist here, so this will be split equally within my two friends here, so which is $33 euro. And then once that's done, hit on add. So in that way, you'll be able to add, you can add more expenses if you want. So you can keep on adding expenses for your choice. And once that's done, you can now share this. If you click on these three dots here on your top right, you can click on share, and then you can usually share via messaging apps or email or social media to invite others, or to view this Tricount account. You can send it to your friends. You can do that. Apart from that, you can also track balances. If you click on this balance tab here you will see the balances. So here, so this shows how much money you're owned. So how much your friend needs to pay you. So I have paid $66, and my friends haven't paid me, so that's why it's in minus 33. So and once this payment has been paid up, I can simply mark these payments as settled. So once that's done, and also you can click, if you go to photos here, you can start add photos here. You can share photos of any bills or the receipt or the itineraries, whatever it is. You can just share it here. So if you hit on add photo, you'll be able to add it here. So that's pretty much it is. So with Tricount, you can easily manage bills within your manage and share bills within your groups, and track your expenses, especially for group activities or group trips. So I hope this information video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.